How to save your TikTok videos without Watermark. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can save your TikTok videos without Watermark. So let's get started. First of all, you gotta simply head over to TikTok and then you gotta click on your profile here at the bottom right. And then you'll be able to see all of your videos over here. For example, this is the video that you wish to download. What you're gonna do is click on this video. And then you gotta click on these three dots over here and then you can simply copy the link to this video. For example, I have copied this link over here and then you gotta go to any of the browser or search engine and simply search for snaptik.app. Once you do so, you'll be able to see an interface like this. So all you need to do is paste your TikTok link here, click on paste and then click on download and simply wait for it to get downloaded. So you can see that this is the video over here. It would ask you to download the video, download video HD, download with app, and download other videos. And then you can simply select any of these options and you're good to go. So that is basically how you can save your TikTok videos without Watermark. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.